Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, you will learn how to clean data and organize it in cells quickly and easily. By the way, if you are applying for any of these jobs, you need to go through a practical Excel interview, and for that you need to watch my videos. I have created a video about the top 10 Excel job interview questions and their answers. Check that out. The link is in the description box. Okay, so here is the data that I need to clean right now. And here you can see that the question is, it says to clean the raw data and highlight sales of less than 400. So there are two things in this question. Okay, over here in this area is where we want to pull all of this data. And as you can see, the problem right now is that it's all within one cell. So it's not actually separated by cells. And that's basically what we want to try to get over here. Now you can do this manually, just putting Ellen in here as a first name and Musk here, or do the next one and so on. But that's going to take forever, and I'm sure you will not pass this interview because this is not very impressive, of course. So instead, we are going to use a special trick called text columns. For it, we are just going to press Ctrl Shift down to select this whole area over here. Then we will go to data, go to the text to columns, and over here, okay, I know this guy right here. This is going to look a bit daunting for now, but just leave it and go to next. And over here, this is basically where how do you want this separation to be qualified. So in our case, you will notice that we have a space after every word. So that's basically where we want this separation to be. And we are just going to put this space as our separator. And down below in the preview, you are gonna see more or less what that's gonna look like. We will hit next there, and here we have to select the destination for the data right over here, then hit finish, hit OK, and just like that we are gonna have all of that raw data separated over here into different areas. So it's exactly the way we want it to be. Okay, now the second thing is the sale amount. It says to identify sales of less than $400. Now to do so, a quick and easy way is going to be using conditional formatting. So let's hit Ctrl Shift down to select the whole area, and we are going to create a new rule. We will just go to home over here, go to conditional formatting, and now we are going to create a rule that basically highlight anything that's less than $400. So it's very easy for us to identify. Then we want it with the red color. Okay, that's fine for us. Hit OK, and now we can see exactly which are going to be less than 400. Well, alright, so that was it for today's video. Now you know how to clean data in Excel quickly. Subscribe to our channel for more Excel videos. Thanks for watching.